Outgoing Deputy Inspector General of Police Grace Kaindi has now sued the National Police Service Commission and the Attorney General, challenging the presidential directive to replace her with former General Service Unit Commandant Joel Kitili. Kaindi filed her suit through a certificate of urgency, claiming that the directive by President Uhuru Kenyatta amounted to a roadside declaration as it was never put on paper as per the law. Ben Kitili reports.
Immediate former Deputy Inspector General of Police Grace Kaindi simply will not go out without a fight. After suffering a blow Friday when the Labour Court refused to suspend the directive to remove her from office, Kaindi has now moved to the High Court to challenge her retirement from the police service and subsequent redeployment to the civil service as an ambassador. In a sworn affidavit, Kaindi has termed the directive to eject her from the police service as a roadside declaration, claiming it was never put on paper. She said that she learned of a transfer through the media, contrary to due process. The outgoing deputy police boss has criticized the manner in which a senior state officer like the Deputy Inspector General was being dismissed and wants the High Court to quash the directive to retire her. Kaindi, through her lawyer J.C. Odoro, told the court that the action to remove her from office erodes constitutional gains towards women empowerment.
When we discovered that she wasn't even aware of that transfer, then it again confirmed the kind of unfair treatment that women in leadership positions in public offices are being exposed to.
A presidential directive replaced her with former commandant of the General Service Unit, GSU Joel Kitili, who has since taken over as Deputy Inspector General of Police in an acting capacity.
The DIG, Kenya Police Service, retired from the service.
Kaindi's redeployment has caused much uproar from the opposition as well as the civil society.
It is now clear that the Jubilee administration is sabotaging the reform agenda. And the cases in point are the following. The recent developments in the police service, and in particular the manner in which the Deputy Inspector General has been relieved of her duties.
The National Police Service Act requires that at least one of the top 3 police officers be of opposite gender. This has led to criticism over the appointment of Joel Kitili, a man, to the position of Deputy Inspector General.
What next for the next women who are looking forward to serve in public offices? How then is their removal also going to be just an announcement?
But what happens if there is no woman to take over? As it stands now, obviously, there is no very senior woman police officer, and therefore that position cannot be left vacant.
This as 4 senior women police officers were promoted and posted to high offices in the service. Judy Jabet has been appointed the commandant of the CID training school, as Jacinda Kenywa becomes the traffic commandant. Miriam Muli is a new director of inspection, and Mary Kaol is a new director of personnel at the CID. The matter will be mentioned next week, Wednesday, September 16th, for directions. Ben Kitili, KTN News.